Good evening, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This evening, I'm going to talk about Ascendex. Covered this exchange before. Just going to go a bit more in depth within Ascendex and what they're planning. You can see everything on their dashboard and their future plans. Okay, I think at the moment, obviously, the crypto market is quite stagnant, is it? But eventually, we'll be in another bull market. There's so much mainstream adoption happening with crypto. We're just on the verge still of approaching 1 trillion market cap. So there's so much interest within crypto. You can listen to the press and all the negativity. However, we all know that crypto is the future. And also, so moving forward, you want to be on a high quality exchange. Now, I've used Ascendex for a long time, and it's a very easy exchange to use. I remember when I first got in crypto in 2016, how difficult it was. I was on Bittrex, and being a novice at that time, it took me a long while to learn how to deposit and trade to get those altcoins. Now, Ascendex have made it extremely easy. So you see on the screen, this is the dashboard when you literally first try and log on and join Ascendex. If you're not on Ascendex, I've got a referral link below. I do appreciate using my link to support the channel. You don't have to use my link, obviously, but please make sure you're on ascendex.com and not a phishing site. So you basically sign up. You can, on Ascendex, allow you to sign up with an email or your phone number. Now, as I always say, me personally, I use a separate email from a crypto too easy to keep track, but you must have a strong password. I can never emphasize that enough. There's many, many security levels to Ascendex, which again is great, but obviously you want that strong password, and also you always use your Google 2FA. It's just another level of security, which is great. So sign up, verify yourself with your email, and then basically you're on their dashboard, which is laid out really easy and beautiful to follow and just get started really. So you go on the dashboard here. Now, when it comes to crypto, obviously you might want to send it from elsewhere. It's very easy, just go on my wallet, your crypto assets, and you deposit that way. However, a lot of people just get on Ascendex, newbies. Again, I think Ascendex really easy for someone just getting started with crypto. I think it's very easy the way they lay it out. So buying crypto, you can see there with a credit or debit card or third party. Okay, now this is what I like about Ascendex. They've got many, many options. You can do a bank transfer. Now, the third party, I've used Bankster and Simplex many, many times, never had any issues. They've also got MoonPay and Merco, which personally I've never used. But MoonPay is the cheapest because you're using that third party like a go-between for your fiat to the third party to get your crypto. However, you've also got on here, which really stands out to me, is other pay methods. You can use Apple Pay or Google Pay, which is really good. Another level, you see, as well as, you say, your bank transfer. So they make it really easy just to, deposit your fiat to get that crypto, which is great to see. Now, once you've done that, I say you also can send it elsewhere, whatever you want to do. Now, I've helped many, many people over time. Anyone want help whatsoever getting started with exchange, if you're new to crypto or just getting frustrated, then, as I've said many times, reach out or email me, info@cryptostrang.com, all my social media links below. However, I've helped many people. A lot of people do prefer, we do like a FaceTime on Instagram. Now, there's many other ways, obviously, do a video link. Now, I'm quite happy to spare some minutes to get you started. We show you it step by step. So just don't hesitate to reach out, because I know how frustrating it can be to get started with crypto. However, Ascendex have made it extremely easy. But it's easy to say when you've done it for a long time, isn't it? So honestly, don't hesitate to reach out. So once you've got it, okay, now you basically you want to go on the trade bit. You've got USDT. I always suggest if you send it from another exchange, USDT Tether, it's always the TRC20 network. Please don't use ERC20 because horrendous gas fees to send it elsewhere. Your TRC20, your Tron, it's basically like $1 to send like $80, for example. You do that in ERC20, you're paying $20 to send 80 if you're lucky. So that's just something to be wary of. So once you're on this bit, you can see here you've got many areas on their dashboard. Now, I can't cover it all in one video because it was going for a very long time, but we'll cover different parts. So say they've got copy trading, you've got leverage token, you've got your futures, your margin, you've got your cash there. You can convert it. So they've got many different areas to it. Now, what I want to do is here, I just basically want to get myself some Solana. So I've got my USD Tether. Now you've got your prices, the current trading. As you can see at the moment, last sort of 24 hours, we've had a bit of a pump, haven't we? It's been a terrible few weeks. But again, that's what crypto is all about. That's why we love it. It's never financial advice, as you know. Who knows where the market would go and the way the world's going. But me, regardless of that, long-term, crypto is the future. So to me at the moment, I say not financial advice, but I think there's some crazy bargains out there at the moment. And Ascendex lists so many low-cap gems, you can pretty much get most on here. So basically what I want to do is set myself a price. Now you can scroll along here. Now, depends on what I do. You can see there, basically each Solana is going to cost me 41.29 tether. So I'm just basically going to do the lot. Okay, I'm going to spend 66 tether to get myself 1.6 SOL. Just shows where SOL's come along. I remember it was literally just a couple of dollars per SOL, but obviously last year it went up to $160. Okay, now we're at $41. So again, there's a huge potential there. Top 10 smart contract layer 1 blockchain platform. It's absolutely fantastic long term in my opinion. So basically just going to buy SOL. It's gone through, which is great to see. Now, that will go through pretty quick because obviously a lot of volume with Solana out there. Okay, now you can scroll down here, you can see it filled up price, you can see the percentage done, you can see there live there, it's basically just gone through, which is great, really quick. This is what you want. You don't want to be waiting for ages, do you? So now this is what I really like also when you talk about buy crypto using more than 60 fiat currencies. I know I covered this, but it's basically going completely worldwide. Now, I said it's been around basically 4 years. It used to be called BitMax up to last year. They renamed themselves. And I think it's just got huge, huge potential long term. There's obviously a lot of competition with the exchanges, but the fact they make it so easy to buy with fiat and all their easy layout, and it's so popular. Now, when you go on CoinMarket, you can see the daily volume. It's obviously a lot. You know, it's 100 million traded in the last 24 hours alone, equivalent to 4,717 Bitcoin. There's a lot of good reviews about Ascendex. I've never had any issues. I've used it pretty much even before when it was BitMax. Never had problems. Now it's Ascendex. Customer support is absolutely fantastic. But basically, they've also got their own token, which all exchanges should have. It's currently ranked 295 ASD. Okay, at the moment it's just over 10 cents. But look at the circulating supply is absolutely incredible. 660 million, 615,000, but the total supply is only 780 million. So we've got majority of the supply out there already. Volume in the last 24 hours approaching 2 million. The market cap is approaching 70 million. So again, as this develops in this exchange, that token has got huge potential because of the supply. The tokenomics are absolutely fantastic. So again, something to bear in mind. Just don't think of Ascendex as the exchange in overall view and all their different earning opportunities. Think of the token as well. So again, I think that's absolutely fantastic, and I will be getting myself a lot more ASD. Okay, so I really do like this fact that you can buy crypto using 60 fiat currencies. Now, also on the earn bits, again, I think it's great. You've got your staking, your DeFi yield farming, your launch pool, the DOT slot auction, and the ASD ecosystem we just spoke about. Now, but the staking is something that I'm really interested in. There's many different parts you can see there, all the different staking. Atom there, nearly 14%, great to see. But the one that I really like is Solana. You can see there, 16.18%. Now that is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so when you go on here, I'll just show you there. So basically, go on the main screen there. I've got my Solana, I've got my staking. Okay, now what I'll do is delegate. Okay, now you can see there, I've just got the 1.6 SOL. Basically, obviously, I'm going to do the full amount, goes without saying. So the APY yield it gives you there, the APY 16.18%. Basically, you read the Ascendex staking agreement and you just confirm. Okay, and that's how easy it is. Okay, and that is really easy, and that's what I like about it. They make staking so easy. But as I say, don't hesitate to reach out if you want any help whatsoever, not just about Solana, but any other. So I reached out to the team on Ascendex about Solana staking. They've actually come back to me and said they're going to offer people watch this video, part of the CryptoStrang team out there. Also going to put this on my Telegram as well as a Facebook group and all my other social media. If you put your Ascendex UID in the comments below, you're going to go into a draw for Solana NFT. And that's really great to see. It's a lovely little bonus they've offered everyone to watch this video. So if you're already on Ascendex, please put your UID. That's your unique identification code from Ascendex in the comments section. If you do that, it'd be absolutely fantastic. But I say also, there's my referral link if you're not on Ascendex already. Entirely up to you. So that's how easy it is to get started with Ascendex. Easy sign up, the fiat deposit, easy to crypto, the easy staking. There's so many parts to this. I say a lot of other videos I need to do as we talk about Ascendex in time. But also, as I say, think about the ASD token as well. I think with them tokenomics, there's so much potential there. Okay, so as I say, it's just an overview of Ascendex, just getting started and about the Solana staking. So anyone need help, as I say, don't hesitate to reach out. Help any way I can. Wishing you a wonderful weekend. We'll chat again soon, but please don't hesitate to reach out. Help any way I can. Now, thanks very much. We'll speak again soon. Cheers now. Bye.